How to convert Wix website to WordPress. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily connect and link any Wix website to WordPress dashboard, and we'll walk through each step of process from exporting your content from Wix into WordPress account, and also we will cover some tips and tools you will need to customize your site into WordPress. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, before starting linking and connect your Wix account into WordPress, make sure to open your Wix dashboard, then go directly to design site. Then it will take you directly to customize your site on Wix. Then guys, before starting you need to hit on, then after customizing your site on Wix, make sure to hit on publish. Then guys, before you will not be able to connect and link your Wix website into WordPress without publishing your site. Then guys, just hit on view site, then it will take you directly to your site, your URL site. Then make sure to copy your link, then copy, then go back and open your WordPress account. Then after verifying your WordPress account with your email address or phone number, then open your WordPress dashboard, then scroll on the left side, go directly to tools section, then hit on tools, then scroll directly to import on the left side, then hit on import. As you see, it's give you a bunch of importing section: WordPress, Blogger, Medium, Squarespace, Substack, and Wix at the bottom. Then there is choose from full list, then hit on Wix section. Then guys, you need to paste your URL website. As you see guys, I have already copy my link, then go back and open WordPress and paste it. Then guys, hit on continue. As you see guys, it's take a few seconds to import and link your Wix website to WordPress. As you see guys, this is my site on Wix. Then make sure to verify everything it's good. Then guys, go directly, then hit on yes, start import. Then wait a few seconds to import your Wix website into WordPress account. It's very easy guys, even you are a beginner, don't worry. Make sure to finish this video until the end. You will be able to connect and link any Wix website into WordPress account. As you see guys, it's very easy. You can safely navigate away from this page if you need to. I will send your notification when it's done. Then wait a few seconds to import in your Wix website into WordPress with the easy method without using any application or any paid version application. As you see guys, your imported successfully was done. Then guys, just hit on view site, then it will take you directly to your Wix website. As you see guys, go directly on pages on the left side, then hit on pages. It will give you a bunch of your your pages on your website. As you see guys, the home page, bio, about. Then if you want to edit one of this page, just hit on these three dots, then hit on edit or view page, status, copy page, everything. Or if you want to remove it, then you will be able to customize you will be customize your site also on WordPress with the easy method. Then hit on edit, for example. Then it will take you directly to your to customize and edit your about section on your WordPress website. As you see guys, this is my about section. Then if you want to edit this about section, go, for example, if you want to hit this remove your phone number or add some email address or photos, everything guys. As you see guys, this is the easy method to import and link your Wix website into WordPress without using any paid version application and without no prior experience. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.